Are you a beginner artist looking for guidance and support so you can actually love what you create? Have you always wanted to explore painting portraits but have no idea where to begin? Guess what? I think you found the right place. I have a new workshop called Painting Your Muse, and it starts in February. In this workshop, you will learn my step-by-step process on how I create an expressive portrait, broken down into manageable phases. Also get valuable information on the how and why of my process that you can incorporate into your practice. And a big plus, in this workshop, you get 2 opportunities to get feedback and guidance on your work in progress. Sound like something you'd be interested in? Comment Muse below and I'll send you over that link to learn more about this valuable and amazing workshop. And let me share a little peek while we're at it. I'm going to include a free mini masterclass where I demonstrate the first phase of my creative process, where I develop and create an underpainting for my portrait. Go ahead, join me for Painting Your Muse.